The workshop that we are currently in is focused in budgeting reforming, which has really to do a lot of things in my area. It is more my kind of expertise, and I learn new things about the strategic planning when you have to take measures and actions about the unpredictability in the future.
What resonated with me the most in this workshop is how it's not important just to locate the problems, but to better understand the problems, you need to also try better to understand the causes of the problem so you can address those. If you eliminate those first, then it will be easier to actually solve the problem.
The main lessons learned is that where there is a problem, we should take some actions, we should make some reforms, and we should engage the stakeholders and follow the whole policy cycle.
Also, this workshop helped me understand that there are some areas, there are some ministries that should be performance-oriented, meaning there should be deductions in the next year, yet some areas should remain untapped. It became clear for me why they cannot have such a level of performance-based outcomes.
So I think that I come from a system, at least in my experience, where we are really good at addressing the problems, but what are we doing to actually go to the core of the problem?
Sometimes the mindset of the people is old, but we need some changes, we need some ideas to come in place.
I should say that at the end of the day, every step and everything matters. So we should start where we are. We don't need to wait to become, in a higher position, or maybe even wait from our leaders. We have to be leaders ourselves.